सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू नेक्सस। आज हम बात करने वाले वो टॉपिक पे जिस पे आजकल कोई बात कर ही नहीं रहा है। क्या हो सकता है वो? योर स्टडीज। सो आई हैव गॉट समथिंग फॉर यू। सपोज लाइक वी आर स्टडिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, बट इन साइंस देयर इज अ चैप्टर acid and bases. So what is about that? This chapter is full of chemical equations and full of reactions. तो इन रिएक्शंस को समझने के लिए बहुत लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन होती है। क्या वो आप है? If you have confusion with the reactions and all the other things related to it, so this video is for you. In this video we are going to discuss that which things are very necessary and useful for learning this chapter in a better way. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट करते हुए आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू अबाउट दिस। फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड लर्निंग दिस चैप्टर यू हैव टू नो दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस। सपोज देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चंस such as if I'll give you Zn plus HCl is equals to what will you answer? Many of you may know the answer, but many of you don't know. So what can you do? You have learned everything, you know everything, you are capable to assume and understand these things. But what about this basic? Our basics are clear? Are you sure? So now we are going to discuss some important formulas and some important topics which are very very important for your chapter acid and bases and salt. So these topics are such as in this video we'll cover that what are the important formulas and compounds that are necessary for your learning. First one, without time waste, we should start. First one, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is, this is the formula, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is also known as caustic potash. This is a very important formula. It comes in many type of like displacement reactions and dissolve type reactions also with metals also and non-metal and base or acids also. So this reaction is like first caustic potash, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. This is the formula. Okay. After that, calcium oxide. It is a CaO. It is a calcium oxide, CaO. It is formed by displacing calcium carbonate. If you are not able to understand what is this, just memorize these all things. Because if you not memorize these things, you are not able to do it in your exams. If you want to understand the logics and learnings, so you can click in the video in description I've made for that how you can make these formulas by yourself. But here we are not talking about that. We are talking that what are the common names of these formulas. So calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also known as slaked lime because as you know I have calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide. When I use water in calcium oxide, then it becomes calcium hydroxide. Means quick lime converts to slaked lime. Understood? Ammonium hydroxide. It is also ammonia like NH4OH. NH4OH. Like adding 4 CaOH2. These things you can learn by that video only that I have given in description. Okay? After that, ammonium hydroxide is also known as ammonia water. Because these common names are very important, this you have to learn. Ammonia water, ammonium hydroxide, and NH4OH, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate is known as soda ash. Calcium carbonate is also known as limestone. Calcium carbonate is also known as limestone. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay. After that, potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is also known as KOH, and common name for potassium hydroxide is caustic potash. Means magnesium hydroxide is known as MgOH2. MgOH2 because hydroxide is meant by OH. MgOH2. The common name for this is milk of magnesia. These are the some elements and some components which are very important for this chapter. You have learned this, okay? You have learned these all things and you are very prepared about those things. But what about acids? We have covered some basic things. What are acids? Because they are also involved in it, and there are many, but very easy. Okay, so you can learn it without any cause. So let's move on to acids.